So do you also use 99 acres to get more leads for your own business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp welcome message for leads from 99 acres. So like you, I also use 99 acres to get more leads for my own real estate business. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from 99 acres, I want to send my leads an automated welcome message on WhatsApp. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between 99 acres and WhatsApp. And we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create a connection between 99 acres and WhatsApp in order to send automated WhatsApp messages like this. So to do this, I'm going to open a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Connect by typing pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Connect using which we're going to create this automation. But before we move on further and create this automation, I'll show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a platform where users share their ideas, workflow tips, doubts and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. So let's go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and right now we have two options on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here, I am an existing user, so I'm going to click on this button which says sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over we're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So let's click on this access now to access my Pabbly Connect's account. And now it is opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect's account, and to get started I'm going to click on this button which says create workflow. And now it is asking me to select the workflow builder, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and ideal for those who want a modern interface. While the classic one on the other hand is stable, has a familiar approach and ideal for those who want a tried and tested setup. So you can use any one from this. I'm going to use this new one. So let's go towards the select of the new one. Now for the workflow name, I'm going to enter the name of my workflow which is send WhatsApp welcome messages for leads from 99 acres and select the folder in which I want to save my workflow. So if you also want to create a folder inside Pabbly Connect, you can go towards this add new folder button and create your own. Now after entering the workflow name and selecting the folder, let's click on this button which says create. And once we click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button, and now for the trigger application we have to select it as 99 acres. So let's search for 99 acres and select it, and for the trigger event we have to keep it as new leads and click on this connect. Now it is giving me a web URL using which we're going to create a connection between 99 acres and Pabbly Connect. We have to copy this web URL, and to automate the lead capture, you have to configure it in your 99 acres account. And to do this, you have to reach out someone from the backend team of 99 acres or account manager from 99 acres, because 99 acres platform doesn't have the provision to add the web URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out someone from the backend team of 99 acres or account manager from 99 acres and ask them to add this web URL in your account. And once they add this, automatically you're going to capture the lead details right over here as the webhook response. I have already added this webhook URL in my 99 acres accounts, so let's capture this webhook response. And now you can see that we have successfully captured the lead details. You're going to see all the details, be it the phone, email, first name, last name, company name, or the area. And now using these details, I'm going to send my lead an automated WhatsApp message. So to do this, first we're just going to close this trigger and go towards this button which says add new action step. Now for the action application, we have to select it as WhatsApp Cloud API. So let's search for WhatsApp Cloud API and select it. And now for the app event, we have to select it as send template message new and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect, we have two options: add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already created this connection, you can go towards this select an existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection and it is asking for the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So to get all of these three, you simply have to click on this learn more hyperlink given right over here. And once we click on this learn more hyperlink, you're going to see it is opening the forum window of Pabbly. And now we're going to see that how to completely create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup. So to get all of these three, you first have to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup, and a step-by-step video tutorial is attached over here. You can refer to this. And further, if you also want to generate a permanent token inside WhatsApp Cloud API, you can refer to this video. I've already created this, so let's open my WhatsApp Cloud API setup, and you're going to see that this is the access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So one by one, I'm going to copy all of these three and I'm going to paste the token, then I'm going to paste the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. And after pasting all of this, let's click on this button which says save, and with this we have successfully created a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the receiver's phone number, so let's enter the receiver's phone number. But we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. That's the reason why we do mapping. So let's move on further. Now for the template ID, we have to select the template which I want to send. So what is this template? So let's open our WhatsApp Cloud API setup, and we're going to see you can create your own template. So let's click on this create your own template button, and it is going to open WhatsApp Manager. And what you have to do is you have to create a template. As you can see that I have already created multiple templates. If you wish to create a template, you can go towards this create template button and create your own. I have already created multiple templates, so I'm going to select one from that only. Let's go back, and as you can see, I'm going to use this template which is new leads. Alright, so let's go back towards our workflow and select the template ID as new leads. Now for the language code, I'm going to enter the language code of this template which is English. You're going to see this template is in English language. Alright, now let's move on further. For the template name, first we have to click on this refresh fields, and you're going to see automatically when you select the template ID, the same will be selected as the template name. We don't have to change this. Let's move on further. It is saying template has a header, so as you can see that my template doesn't have any header, so we're going to keep it as no. It is saying header type, so it is saying enable the mapping button or leave this field as blank. So what we have to do is we have to switch on this mapping button and leave this field as blank because we don't have any header. So now we're going to move on further and fill only the details which are required, which is this. Template has a body, so yes, my template has a body, so I'm going to click on this yes. So I'm going to select yes, and now it is asking me for the variable example lead name. So what I've done is, as you can see that this is my template, I'm going to open this template for you. And as you can see that this is my template. All right, now what I want is I'm going to go towards this edit template, and I'm going to first show you my proper template which I have already created. And you're going to see that over here in this template I have this one in curly brackets. So you must be wondering why this one is in curly brackets. So I wish to replace this one with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message, so that each of my lead receives a more personalized WhatsApp message. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map this value of one right over here as this variable one example lead name. So we have to map the lead name right over here. So we're going to map the first name, put a space, and then the last name. And after this, we're going to move in further. It is asking me for many other details, but these details are not the required details, so I'm going to leave it as blank. And after entering all of these details, we're going to click on this save and send test request. But before we click on this save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. Alright, you don't have to change this because I used a dummy phone number. That's the reason that I'm changing it. Now after changing it, let's click on the save and send test request button right over here. And once we click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message. Alright, so I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and once we open our WhatsApp, you're going to see that we have successfully received an automated WhatsApp message. You're going to see the rest of the messages same, only the name of the lead has been changed. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from 99 acres, an automated WhatsApp message something like this will be sent towards my lead. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll simply add the workflow link in the description box below so that you can access my workflow. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.